So let's go ahead now and download and install Intellij. This is going to be the program we're going to be using to edit our programs in this course. So I'm going to go to a browser and I'm going to type www.jetbrains.com. Then I'm going to come down here to where it says Intellij IDEA, or alternatively it might be an option to click it up there and click on Intellij IDEA. Click on that. And I'm just going to come down here and close that little box, and I'm going to click on download. And scrolling down, I've got two options here. I can choose either the Community Edition or the Ultimate Edition. Now the Community Edition is a free download. The program is permanently free. You'll never have to pay for it. The Ultimate Edition gives you a 30-day trial, and if you want to use it after that time, you'll need to make a payment. However, what I have done is managed to get a 90-day trial for the Ultimate Edition. So the instructions for that will be later on in this video after we've configured Intellij. So if you're interested in the Ultimate Edition, click on download over here. In my case, I'm going to choose the free Community Edition and click download. After a moment, the download will start automatically. And I'm going to click on save to save that. You can see down the bottom left-hand corner now that's downloading. So I'll pause and come back when it's ready to continue. As you can see, it's just about to finish downloading now. Once it's finished downloading, you need to start it. In my case, I can just click it here and that will start the installation. You may have to navigate to the folder where you downloaded it. So next thing we need to do now is drag this, holding down the left mouse button, dragging it over to the folder to the right hand side and letting go. And that will then install it on the Mac. Once that's finished, we can close this. And we can also close our browser down for now because we're finished with that. And we can have a look over here now. You can see in the applications folder, in my case, I've got two Intellijas. I've got Intellij IDEA and Intellij IDEA CE. CE stands for Community Edition. So depending on which version you've downloaded, you'll see either the basic one, the full Ultimate Edition, which hasn't got CE in the file name, or CE in the file name means it's the Community Edition. So in this case, I'm going to double click the Community Edition to start it. Click on Open for the first time to confirm that you're okay with opening the application that you've just downloaded. That will then bring up this screen for the first time. And if you have already got Intellij in your system, you can import the settings, but in most cases this will probably be the first time you're installing this on your computer. So you can just click on OK and accept the default. We then get an option as to which colors we want to use. Now this is primarily the background color that you'll see when you're programming. My personal preference is to use Darkula because I think it's better for my eyes. I find my eyes, I just find it better personally to work with, but you can choose either option, whatever you think is appropriate, and then click on down here to next. So I click on next. I'm going to select the default here for Mac OsX 10.5 plus key map. If you have used Intellij IDEA before, you can change that option if you like, but it should be okay for you if you're just starting out to use the first option. This option here, you can just click on to the next. You don't need to change that in most cases. So click on next. Then Intellij, being a versatile program, enables you to develop code for many different programming languages. You have got the option to customize and choose extra settings so that it can edit code in other languages. Generally speaking, we won't need to do that, and we can just click on next to featured plugins. Likewise on this screen, it's giving us an option for a few more plugins. We don't need to do that. We're just going to click on start using Intellij IDEA. We now need to enter our username and password to confirm the settings. Intellij IDEA will now start up and you're ready to go.